Jason Hain has got his spearfishing school here. They've got a garrick so far. We're off Port Shepstone. Never gets clean around here, but it's clean today. But if you want to get in the spearfishing game, you better do it with someone like Jason. So yeah, get in touch with me or Jason on his masterwaterman.co.za website and get yourself on this boat. Whatever you do, you better get yourself on this boat. Look, the wave's coming. Woo-woo! Woo-woo! That's so cool. This dude, what's his name again? James. This is his first garrick.
Nickname Tonto.
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 Anyway, may as well tell you what the.
Supposedly the Lone Ranger.
Yeah.
Got it, garrick! First garrick is always the fucking winner. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah! I waited long enough for this.
Fucking.
Pop it on the boat, that's it.
Okay,
Well
take
done.
The spear out. Take the spear out. Spear out.
No, I'm gonna drown him. Take it over the line.
No, take the spear out.
Okay, we must get away from the boat too, please, because there's waves coming here.
Twist the spear. Twist the spear. Twist it. There we go.
Thank you, Jason.
Yeah,
Go away
size,
from the
dude.
boat, please.
Well done, James.
Let's see. Is it size? It's definitely size. Well done, James.
One for the Bryx, eh?
Yeah, nicely done. Well, that's great. We're off the hook now. We've got a fish.
Not so bad. I want a bigger one.
No, but you only can shoot one, so that's that. Alright, so we got some action. Jason's just shot a garrick. And one of these guys are going to go and give a second shot, buddy. How are you taking long, eh?
Oh, fuck me.
Go.
My gun.
Dave, you having a good day?
Lovely, Dre. Enjoying it.
Shot.
What a morning on the subcast.
Shot, dude.
That's my first time second shotting.
Let's see that fish, James.
That's Jason's garrick.
Yeah, I see, eh? The bear on form,
On
practicing
form,
what he
eh?
preaches.
Huh?
Nice fish, dude. Nice fish.
So you gotta roll it right. So, you know this line here?
Yeah.
You can take this, make it neater,
And it sits tight.
and it
That's
sits
clever.
sits low, so it doesn't irritate you.
That's very cool.
One of the guys from Rob showed me.
No, they're for scuba diving.
It's the only ones had in stock though. The supply problem.
This is what you want to buy. 150 runs, last you 2 years.
Let's see, Jason. Where you get
That's-
those from, buddy?
Rob Allen,
Aha.
Kevlar weave,
Yes.
specially made for him.
Okay.
The Rob Allen's just come off. These are about 6-7 months old.
Yeah.
Caught plenty of crayfish, they're still going lacquer.
Aha.
My 1.5 year old pair, I've still got, I still use.
Yeah. Okay,
We're
shot
gonna get in the
more.
water, check out
Get
that.
in, please, Dave. Look at this water. Sweeney, of all places.
That's bad.
far out. It's a German bream, hey? At least he's dead. Let's see your one.
I got a crab.
Let's check your one.
Mine's not too big.
That looks like a bronze.
Yeah, that's so good.
Look at the teeth.
I don't like
It's got
that,
human
man.
teeth. It's a German. It's got
Yeah.
those bristles. It's a bronze.
Oh well, thank you for the fish identification. Wow, what a weekend. Shot Jason and all those guys who came to visit, Dave. Some cool adrenaline is set up and good to go for spearfishing adventures like this one. We've got everything. We've got the boats, we've got the accommodation, we've got the food, we've got the venue. And after a hard day's fishing, spearfishing, there's nothing like a mellow cruise up the river to wind down. All right, get in touch.
Viva la revolution! What do you want to do? I've got Guy lifting off the edge.